Hey, what's up guys? It's Stang Tech here. Today we're going to be unboxing the JOMISE G814 dash cam mirror. Stay tuned. In the back of the Mustang here, once you take apart this back panel, there's a little grommet here. You can go ahead and take that out, just like this. It's the easiest way to mount this light through there, and then run it against the weather stripping. And this is where I'll be placing my camera. So scratch that. We ended up drilling a 5/16 hole to fit the wire through for the backup camera. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and see if this works on the dash cam, even though it claims that it can only take a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. Alright, let's see if this 512 will fit. Alright, moment of truth. That's, oh, okay, we're starting. A little bit of a concern there. Alright, let's go into the settings. Once it loads, come on. It's stuck. Uh-oh. That's not good. Be right back. Let's check out. So as you can see the next few clips here, you're going to see that the sunrise and sunset and how it affects the dash cam and how well it's going to record the license plates and the street signs. Please keep in mind that the front is recording at 2.5K to save on space, and the rear is recording at 1080p. Sorry for the lack of audio. I'm trying to not get this video copyrighted, so you'll see some audio in the next clip.
And we all know it's the time of year for sore throat. But you can take the sting of your sore throat with new fast-acting Mucinex Institute medicated drops.
So I'm gonna voice over this part. So in conclusion, I will recommend this dash cam mirror as it does both the functionality of being a regular mirror as well as record both front and rear. I am really impressed with the image sensor on board, which is the Sony Starvis 415 sensor. It could record up to 4K and the front and 1080 at the simultaneously. It looks to be 30 frames per second. If I'm not correct, I couldn't figure it out, but either it's 30 or 60 frames per second, which is pretty impressive. The only con I can say is that the cables not be short enough. Long enough for you to hardwire to the rear. It depends on where you're gonna place it, but there is a bunch of accessories that is included. I didn't install the reverse reversing system, because it doesn't make sense because it doesn't connect to the steering. So the lines are not going to move with you when you reverse. One noticeable thing is that people in the rear, when they're driving behind you and they see the rear view camera, that's a monitor, and they see their car, they tend to not tailgate as much, which is kind of the reason why I got this, to capture dash cam video of tailgaters and upload it to YouTube, as you can see. So for the price, I paid about $120 when it was on sale. You might need to definitely get a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. I'll leave a link to one that I use down below, along with this dash cam as well. Keep in mind, these are affiliate links. There's no cost to you. I might get a tiny commission off of it. Let me know if you guys want to see more content. I might upload just the tailgating videos. All audio is recorded from the front camera. And one more thing to note is that I am not hardwired, and this is currently being powered by a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. Currently awaiting shipment of a 20,000 milliamp hour battery, so I'll also leave that in the description down below too. Well, if you like this content, please go ahead and give me a like, subscribe for more cars and technology content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.